Hello and welcome to a review of the Dewey Decimal Classification System for nonfiction books. So you need to find books on certain subjects, but how do you find them? The library uses the Dewey Decimal System for the classification of its nonfiction books. The system was created in 1876 by Melville Dewey to help find information easily. The world's knowledge is organized in 10 subject categories, represented by 3 numbers starting with zeros to the 900s. You can find the category numbers on books' spine label here. So what are the 10 categories? The categories beginning with the zeros is general knowledge, 100s, philosophy and psychology, 200s, religion, 300s, social sciences, 400s, languages, 500s, science, 600s, technology, 700s, arts and recreation, 800s, literature, 900, history and geography. And there you have the Dewey Decimal System. Now you can find books in the library by following 3 easy steps. First, check the Dewey Decimal System chart for the category number of a subject you are searching. Second, locate the nonfiction section in the library. And finally, search the shelves to locate books for the information you need. And remember, if you cannot find what you're looking for, ask a librarian. We are here to help you.